Hi, my name is Rashid Khan from Shirdi Sai Public School, Moradabad. Today we will be going to discuss about good manner. Good manner means good behavior with others. If we are behaving good with others, then we have the good manners. Suppose we wish our teacher, so it means that we have the good manner. If we wish our elders, then we have the good manner. If we thank the God, then it means we have a good manner. It should be inculcated, especially in children from childhood. Our parents should remember this thing, and the primary section teacher should also remember this thing, that they should inculcate this thing from childhood to the children. If they do like this, then we will be having an asset for our country. We must follow all good manners, whether we are at school, home, office, college, or are with our friends. We should follow good manners at everywhere. Good manner helps a person to show the good character. There is a great saying of a prophet of God. He said that a person who has a good character, that person is the best person in the world. If you have the good character, if you have the good deeds, it means that you are the good person. So first of all, we have to develop or inculcate the good habit in ourselves, so that we can serve the society and can serve ourselves also. If we speak politely or gently with the other people, then it will increase our image, it will increase our prestige in the society. So if we want to be a good man, then we must inculcate all good manners in ourselves. A man of good manners will speak always gently to the other people. If you want to be a good person, if you want to be a person of good manner, then always speak gently to others. You know that one thing, if you join the company of good people, you will learn the good manner. They will teach you something good. That is why it is said, books are the best companion, because by books you can learn lots of good things. And if you join the company of good people, you will also learn the good manners. If once the good manners are learned, they will become a part of life. And we have to make good manner as a part of our life, because if we are not dealing good with others, then we are not doing for what we have sent by the God to the earth. So we have to follow all the rules and regulation of the God. He said that we should be good with others. So it means that we should be thankful to everyone who is helping us, who is giving us a smile, who is respecting us. We should respect others, whether he is younger to us or whether he is elder to us. We should respect to that person. So good manner help us in getting respect and dignity in the society. If we want the respect and dignity in the society, then we should follow all the good manners. Thank you.